I'm going to be giving you a quick installation demo on the front bumper here for our S100s, E100s, D100s, and S200s. So it'll be a very quick, simple, toolless install. So if you'll stick with me here, we'll get started. Alright guys, so pulling the bumper out of the box, literally there are no packaging of hardware. Everything that you're going to need is already right here in the hole that you need. As we see, we've got a keeper pin and a washer here on the outside, and then of course our main pin that is going to actually mount the bumper to the frame. So first thing that we need to do is just go ahead and remove these. And go ahead and remove our pin and our washer on both sides. And now once we have those off, now we'll be ready to install this bumper. Now when we're going on with our bumper, the thing that we need to keep in mind is that we're actually going to be going on the inside. This will be on the inside of our two frame rails that we'll show in a minute. And then on the side of our frame, we're gonna have two square holes that look like this. One towards the front of the machine and one towards the middle there, or one further back. The one towards the front is actually going to be where these tabs, as you can see this poking out, are going to catch. And then we're going to pin here at the back hole, which will be the second hole on our frame. Now, we also are going to have our instruction manual here, but hey, if you're checking out this video, you don't need that. Just stick with me and we'll go ahead and get this installed. So from here, guys, we'll hop to the front and start putting this thing on. So here we are at the front of our 100 series tractor. Now, those holes that I was talking about, they're going to line up with our tab and our back hole are right up here on the frame. We have our front hole for our tab, and then our back hole where our pin is actually going to go in. So as you can see, these frame pieces are C-channeled here, and we're going to go on the inside of those channels. So we'll just start here. Now, you will have to bend a little bit on your bumper just to get it to ride in both of those sides of the frame. Once you have that riding in, then give it a little shove, get our tab in there to line up, and you'll actually feel and hear those tabs click into place. Now once we have that done, next we're going to take our pin here, reach under, go through the back side, pushing out to where we can see it, and then we'll go on here with our washer just like that. And then next we'll turn our pin here and then take our keeper and push it through just like that, and then we'll do the same process over here on the other side. All right guys, so that's all there is to installing the front bumper for either your S100s, E100s, D100s, or S200s. Keep in mind guys, this is part number BUC 11080. This is going to be a new design to 2021. It's that single bar design where they used to be a two bar design. And I know some people think that these bumpers on the front of these mowers may be silly, but you've got to think guys, they serve a couple of different purposes. For one, they look sweet, they add a nice look to your machine. And also guys, as we know, sometimes we get a little crazy when we're out there mowing the yard, or maybe we have somebody else mowing that we're not used to. Maybe we've got our kids mowing, different things like that. And these will help to save the front of this machine. So they do have an actual physical purpose rather than just looks. So keep that in mind as well. Guys, I hope this video was helpful. Hope this helped you out. If it did, we just ask that you'd give this video a like and give us a subscribe, as that helps us out as well. And also guys, if you're watching this, maybe you think this is something that you need for your machine, I'm going to leave a link in the description below where you can go to buy this directly from me. And also while you're in there, make sure to check out any of those other John Deere parts needs that you may need for your mowers, tractors, or gators, as we have all those parts needs in that link in the description below. Also guys, if you're watching this, you feel like I left anything out, you have any questions or comments, make sure to leave me those in the comments section below so I can get back to you. And as always guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Hey guys, make sure to go buy your parts right here and subscribe right here.